Fidget trading part 2. Here are my fidgets. Here are my brother fidgets. Offering my water timer and my...
I'm going to be offering this. DIY.
dough balls.
No, stress balls.
Can you please swap the DIY stress balls out for something like maybe a puppet, please?
Okay, I will do it for maybe this puppet.
Whenever you got to swap them out. I accept.
I accept too. Get scared. That's a bad puppet. I was like the good side. What? No. That's the good side. This is bad side. Whoa, that's bad. Guys, stay tuned for part 3.
Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe and like.